Get ready to enter the frozen frontier, where scientists are on a mission to unravel the mysteries locked beneath the melting permafrost kingdom. This icy world is thawing at an alarming rate, revealing secrets that have been hidden for centuries. As we peer beneath the glittering ice sheet, we're left wondering what untold stories lie concealed. Could ancient ruins or unknown species be buried deep within the frozen terrain? Or are deadly pathogens waiting to be uncovered, changing our understanding of this unforgiving yet captivating environment forever? Buckle up and get ready for a mind-blowing discovery. In late 2019, an astonishing secret was unearthed beneath Greenland's massive ice sheet by Japanese and Norwegian researchers. A staggering 1,600-kilometer-long or nearly 1,000-mile-long hidden underground river. Equipped with cutting-edge radar technology that can detect buried rocks beneath the icy surface, they uncovered flat bottom sections ranging from 984 to an astonishing 1,640 feet below sea level. In some areas, the depths plunged as far as 1.9 miles. These incredible findings led scientists to create a detailed computer model of this under-ice landscape. And here's what's even more jaw-dropping. They believe the river originates from Greenland's center and flows into the Petermann Fjord on its northern coast before reaching the sea, leaving us with a plethora of questions about how this colossal river has managed to remain hidden for so long. Fasten your seatbelts as we dive deeper into the unknown. This enigmatic underwater world has been dubbed the Dark River due to its complete seclusion from sunlight. The question on everyone's mind is, could life possibly thrive in such an environment? While we eagerly await the answers of scientists, another ice-covered body of water continues to pique our curiosity, Lake Vostok in Antarctica. Spanning a massive 6,061 square miles or 15,700 square kilometers, this lake is truly a wonder. Its depth reaches an astonishing 4,000 feet or 1,200 meters, making it one of the most extensively studied ice-covered water bodies on our planet so far. Let's uncover some fascinating facts about these ghostly lakes. Unlike regular lakes that freeze from top to bottom during harsh winters, these mysterious bodies of water remain liquid due to heat and pressure from their rocky beds and ice layers. Imagine this, temperatures above the lake's surface can plummet to a chilling -128 degrees Fahrenheit or -89 degrees Celsius, yet the average water temperature stays relatively balmy at around 27 degrees Fahrenheit or -3 degrees Celsius. But here's the amazing part: as you dive deeper, it's believed that hydrothermal springs could be warming things up to a cozy 50 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 degrees Celsius. Now picture this eerie landscape. Sunlight can't penetrate such great depths, and the pressure is mind-boggling, reaching up to 400 bar. Interestingly though, despite these extreme conditions, these ghost lakes are surprisingly oxygen-rich, boasting an astonishing 50 times more oxygen than typical bodies of water. And in a twist, organic carbon content is remarkably low. It's as if life here has found a way to thrive without relying on typical food sources. So, can life actually exist in these alien-like environments? To find out, scientists embarked on an incredible adventure. They drilled through a whopping 2.5 miles or almost 4 kilometers of ice. It wasn't easy. This massive undertaking took them 24 long years, from 1989. Yes, you heard that right. It was a grueling journey with a few setbacks along the way. A drill actually broke twice, forcing researchers to take a 7-year break until they could find and develop safer, more advanced technology. But their determination paid off because what they discovered will blow your mind. Meet Hydrogenophilus thermoludolus, a bacteria that loves extreme heat, thriving best between scorching temperatures of 122 to 125 degrees Fahrenheit or 2 degrees Celsius in hot springs. But here's the amazing part. This super resilient microorganism was found living in ice lake samples taken back in 2004. So how did it end up in such a chilly environment? Well, scientists believe that deep underground faults near the lake might be the secret to its icy home. These areas are warm and have low oxygen but high carbon dioxide levels. It's like an alien world down there, where this heat-loving bacteria found the perfect conditions for survival despite being miles under the ice. You won't believe what happened next. Scientists detected seismic activity around Lake Vostok, which could have stirred up Hydrogenophilus thermoludolus from deep underground faults into the lake's upper layers. But that wasn't all. When American researchers dug deeper, they made a jaw-dropping discovery in the samples. Genetic material belonging to bacteria linked with marine life such as mollusks, crustaceans, and even fish. Is it possible that an invisible world beneath the ice harbors a thriving ecosystem? Or were these findings just echoes from ancient times when the lake was teeming with life? Or maybe, just maybe, this is contamination from the drilling process. The mystery remains, but one thing's for sure, we're not done exploring Lake Vostok yet. The search for answers continues. Fast forward to January 2015. Russian scientists obtained new samples from the lake, and after rigorous cleaning, they made another groundbreaking find. 49 different groups of bacteria DNA, but two stood out, one similar to Xanthinobacterium sp, which we already know. But what really got researchers excited was a mysterious unknown species that only shares less than 86% similarity with anything on our planet. And if you thought that was it, think again. In 2018, an old sample from the lake revealed a third potential inhabitant, representatives of the Lactobacillus genus. The discoveries just keep coming, and one thing's for sure, Lake Vostok is slowly giving up its secrets, but there's still so much to uncover. The unknown bacterium is leaving us with more questions than answers. How can it survive when its food source, organic matter, is practically non-existent in this icy lake? Did it somehow rise from the depths to reach the surface? The debates are heating up about these relic lake discoveries, but one thing's for sure, Lake Vostok's water isn't as barren as we thought. In fact, there could be many more of nature's secrets hiding beneath its frozen surface. The real breakthrough will come when a drill finally reaches the bottom, where it's warmer and rich in nutrients, the perfect environment for life to thrive. But before that happens, scientists need a game-changing invention: clean drilling technology that can extract pure water samples without any impurities. It's time to dive deeper into Lake Vostok's mysteries. Stay tuned for what's next. If life can survive in Earth's ghost lake, it's possible that similar microorganisms might thrive on icy oceans beyond our planet, like those on Enceladus or Europa. But should we be unlocking this icy Pandora's box? There's a catch. Some pretty nasty creatures could be lurking beneath the surface. History has shown us the risks when ice melts, so do ancient, potentially deadly bacteria and viruses. Just think of the anthrax outbreak in Russia back in 2016, where a 12-year-old boy tragically lost his life and 24 others were infected. It's a sobering reminder that we need to tread carefully as we explore our planets, and possibly other planets, frozen frontiers. But it's not just humans who are at risk. Animals too can be affected by these ancient diseases. Remember that devastating anthrax outbreak in Russia? Well, this time, over 2,000 deer fell victim to a disease thought to be extinct since 1941. Scientists believe the disaster started when hot air thawed out a hidden animal carcass, and its deadly bacteria, dormant for over 7 decades, were reawakened. The rapid spread of the outbreak sent shockwaves, but luckily it was quickly brought under control. As our planet warms up each year, scientists are getting increasingly worried. Every time permafrost melts, we risk unleashing these long-dormant dangers back into our world. You won't believe this, in 2005, a team of American researchers successfully brought back to life the infamous Spanish flu virus that claimed between 50 to a whopping 100 million lives way back in 1918. They managed to snag its genetic code from a long-forgotten tissue sample buried deep within Alaskan tundra. The reconstructed virus, it moved with lightning speed, leaving death in its wake when tested on animals. But that's not all. The scientists also pulled off an incredible feat. They revived a super ancient bacteria known as Carnibacterium pleistocenium from a frozen pond in Alaska, where it had been snoozing for a staggering 32,000 years. Can you imagine what this prehistoric world looked like? Woolly mammoths roamed the earth back then. And guess what? When our intrepid scientists gave this ancient microbe a second chance at life, it sprang into action as if no time had passed at all. Get ready for another mind-blowing discovery. 2 years after the Spanish flu virus revival, scientists stunned us again by waking up an 8-million-year-old bacteria in Antarctica's icy depths. They uncovered this ancient microbe buried beneath glaciers in Beacon Valley and Mullins Valley. This groundbreaking find allowed researchers to determine a genome's half-life in ice, clocking it at a whopping 1.1 million years. Fast forward to early 2020, when an international team of virologists made headlines with their latest find. They extracted DNA residues from a staggering 33 groups of viruses in Chinese ice samples dating back between 15,000 and 520,000 years. What's even more astonishing, a whopping 28 out of these ancient viral groups were completely new to science. Now, let's dive deeper into these incredible findings. Researchers analyzed bacteria from 2 distinct layers of Antarctic ice and were shocked to discover they came from completely different climatic eras. This isn't a one-time fluke. Scientists are confident that this ancient DNA holds secrets about the past. On the viral front, virologists made sure to only examine pristine, contamination-free ice samples. So, no cause for alarm. This is purely exciting science that could revolutionize our understanding of Earth's history. Let's set the record straight. The DNA of viruses isn't the actual virus itself, so there's no need for alarm. It can't harm humans. But imagine this, researchers found over a dozen viruses in just one tiny ice patch. If we consider Earth's massive 50,000 square kilometer ice sheets, what other secrets could be hidden beneath? Think subglacial rivers and lakes teeming with unknown ecosystems, holding mysteries of pathogenic viruses and bacteria. With climate change slowly revealing these ancient enigmas through meltwater, are we ready for the surprises that come to light? Share your thoughts in the comments below. That's a wrap on this episode, folks. Thanks for exploring these chilling yet fascinating natural discoveries with us. If you're as captivated by these mysteries as we are, remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more edgy explorations